In less than 5 minutes, I'll be showing you a safe way to withdraw your money from cryptocurrency exchange directly into your Nigerian bank account, either OPay, PalmPay, Kuda, Access Bank, GT, whichever bank you wish to withdraw your money into. And the method we are going to be using in this video is called P2P, and I will be using Bybit account. Just note that P2P work using single principle across every platform, which is there is one person who is willing to sell while there is another person somewhere who is ready to buy, and the exchange just serve as a middleman, or let's say picker. So if I use Bybit to train you, you can also go ahead to try the same method on BitGet or your Telegram wallet. So without wasting much of your time, let's go. Before you can be thinking of converting cryptocurrency to Naira, of course you must have some cryptocurrency in your exchange or your wallet. And then if you don't know how to buy yet, I have already made a video on how you can use your Nigerian bank to buy cryptocurrency. So I will be leaving the link in the description of this video. So check it out. The next thing is to come to your assets, and under assets click on unified trade, and of course you must have convert your coin to USDT, because the USDT is what you will be able to sell. So for instance, let's say you have nuts or any coin just like I do here, and that is what you want to sell. You must convert it to USDT, and for you to do that, just click on nuts or the coin in your own case that you wish to sell. Then you will see trade here. Just click on the trade, and it will take you to an interface where you can trade it. So what you want to do is to click on sell, and here you will see where you can fill the amount you want to sell and the price. So if you just want to do this quickly, you can just click on this and then select market. This will sell it directly with current market price. So just select the quantity you wish to sell, and then let's just say you want to sell everything. If it's 100%, this is 50%, 75%. Just know the amount you want to sell. Or simple, you can just select any of these, either by USDT or any. So just select, let's say 10 USDT, and that's it. You just click on sell. So that is basically to sell your coin to USDT, and this USDT is what you will be able to sell out and convert it to Naira. So after that, come back to your unified trading account and select the USDT. It will take you up to this place, and then you just have to transfer it. Click on transfer. Transfer from unified trading account to funding account. Select the amount you want to transfer, and then you just click on transfer, and then you receive transfer successful. Just go back to your asset, which is my asset, and then click on funding. So your USDT has been transferred straight to funding. Click on funding, and then you will see your USDT there. The next step is to click on deposit. Then either you go to home or you click from the assets. Just click on deposit, and under the deposit section you will see P2P trading. So click on it and wait for this P2P trading to load up. Just have to acknowledge the terms, and then you will see something like this: buy and sell. Click on the sell, because you are here to sell your USDT to Naira. So here you will see a whole lot of ineligible advertisers, and then what I normally do is to click on that filter and then click on show only verified advertisers and show only eligible ads. This will show only those people who are eligible to sell, and these people you can trust them. Another thing you need to watch out for is the limit of the amount each person can buy from you. So just know the amount you want to sell out, and then check the limit of the order. So but what I normally do is to click on the amount and then type in the exact amount I want to sell. So in my own case now, I want to sell 15,000 Naira. So I have typed that out, and this will filter those people who are in the range of what I want to sell. So I will just click on the first one. Then this will load up a place where you can fill in what you want to, the amount you want to sell. So I will just be click with fiat and then select 15,000, because that's what I want to sell. But then I need to set up my payment method. So click new payment method and then fill in the details. Just make sure that the name on your account must be tallied with the name on this Bybit exchange. So make sure you don't go and use another person account number here. Make sure the name is tallied. It is very important and compulsory. So fill this out and then click on confirm. After all that, your payment method will be added, and with this you will be able to click on sell. So click on sell and the transaction will be initiated. So right now all you need to do is to wait patiently for this person to credit your account. So you must wait for this person to credit your account, and this will take some minutes if the person is online. So while we are all waiting for the payment, don't forget to like this video, share it for more people to see, and of course subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. So, and I received a notification right now, and it took just 4 minutes for this transaction to be done, and I have received my money. So all I have to do is to come back right here to my Bybit, and after some refresh I see that the release button has not yet activated. So what I simply do right here is that I just click on the back arrow to go back to the P2P page, and here you will see a notification icon. Click on it, you will see order in progress. When you click on it, it will take you straight to active order. So just click on it, and here you will see release now button. Click on the button, and here you just have to confirm that you have received your payment. Make sure that you check the name of the person that sent you money, and make sure that it is tallying with what you see here. So click on release now, and then you just have to input your security passcode. So this is the basic way you can use to cash out your money from cryptocurrency exchange directly into your local bank account. And if you are still wondering how you can buy cryptocurrency using your Nigerian bank account, I have already made a detailed tutorial on how you can do that. So I will leave the link to that video in the comment section below or in the description of this video. So go ahead to watch the video, and if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share this video for more people to see, and of course subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.